Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on any of our awesome content. Today, I'm excited to share with you a game-changing product that I've been using lately, the Physiotherapy TENS Machine Replacement Gel Electrode Pads. These pads are an absolute game-changer when it comes to muscle stimulation, acupuncture, and relaxation. Let's talk about the features and benefits of these electrode pads. First of all, they come in two sizes, making them suitable for various body parts. Whether you need to target a specific area or cover a larger surface, these pads have got you covered. Not only that, but these pads are universally compatible with pigtail pin connectors, so you can use them with a wide range of TENS units. This high-quality, safe, and effective electrode pads deliver the right amount of charge without the risk of burns or shocks, making your therapy sessions more effective and safe. One of the best things about these electrode pads is that they can be used for whole-body treatment. From your neck and shoulders to your back, thighs, knees, and legs, you can use these pads on just about any body part for instant relief and relaxation. And if you have sensitive skin, there's no need to worry. These pads are non-allergic, pre-gelled, and latex-free, making them gentle and safe on the skin. The soft, silk-like texture of the pads adds to the comfort, making them a delight to use even after multiple sessions. So, if you've been looking for a reliable, high-quality replacement electrode pad for your TENS unit, look no further. These Physiotherapy TENS Machine Replacement Gel Electrode Pads are a must-have for anyone looking to enhance their therapy sessions and experience quick, soothing relief. Don't miss out on this incredible product. Click the link in the description to get your hands on these amazing electrode pads and take your therapy sessions to the next level. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.